Moving on, while India is battling the second surge of coronavirus, the farmers have refused to relent and end their protest. In fact, Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait has now warned that farmers will completely boycott farming, and he has also said if the demands aren't met, they will continue to do so.
तरफ से पूर्ण रूप से फीडबैक है कि जब भी किसान ने प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाया है तो जब ही किसान को नुकसान हुआ है वो लागत लगाएगा, डीजल लगाएगा, श्रम लगाएगा, पानी लगाएगा, दवाइयां लगाएगा और उसके बाद में देश के लिए प्रोडक्शन करेगा। और प्रोडक्शन करने के हाल ये है कि जब देश में प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा तो उसको कीमतें कम मिलती है। अगर कीमत कम मिलेगी तो क्यों वो करेगा? उसने कहा कि अगर मैं कम प्रोडक्शन करूंगा तो मुझे लाभ ज्यादा होगा। तो किसान इस तरफ भी जा सकता है और उसने जिस तरह से
हकीकत ये है कि सरकार, चाहे बात हो केंद्र सरकार की या राज्य सरकार की, ये ना तो लोगों को ऑक्सीजन मुहैया करा पा रहे हैं, ये ना लोगों को बेड और अस्पताल मुहैया करा पा रहे हैं। इसीलिए अपना फेलियर छुपाने के लिए ये बेबुनियाद और झूठे आरोप किसानों के ऊपर मढ़ रहे हैं। इनके झूठे आरोपों से किसान आंदोलन डरने वाला नहीं है। किसान आंदोलन ठीक इसी तरीके से मजबूती से आगे भी चलता रहेगा।
Well, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Punjab Minister Sundar Sham Arora has slammed Rakesh Tikait, has said that it's COVID time, we are all fighting, there is no need to make such statements. Time to save the nation from COVID.
सर वो की कह रहे ने इस वेले सारा देश कोरोना नाल लड़ रहा है। मैं तो इको ही अपील करूँगा, इस वेले कोई राजनीति ना की जाए, कोई ऐसिया गल्लां ना कीतियां जाण। इस वेले असीं अपने देश नूं किद्दां बचाना, अपनी स्टेट नूं किद्दां बचाउणा, साडी जिहड़ी प्रेफरेंस है वो यही होनी चाहिए है कि असीं कोरोना ते फतेह पाईए। अज होर गल्लां वल ध्यान नहीं जांदा, अज किसी राजनीति वल ध्यान नहीं जांदा। सारिਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ असीं पंजाब नूं बचाउणा, अपने आप नूं बचाउणा।
Well, let's now go across to my colleague Gurpreet, who's joining us live from Rohtak. We also have Shehzad Poonawalla, Times Now's contributor on the broadcast. Gurpreet, there also seems to be some difference of opinion as far as the farmer unions are concerned. Rakesh Tikait says, "Hum production kam kar denge." Are the other unions standing with Rakesh Tikait on this? Have they also accepted this statement and stand of Rakesh Tikait?
Well, if we can talk about the Punjab side union, that Kisan Mazdoor Union, they are not giving any official statement to support this statement which has been issued by Rakesh Tikait, because they say that yes, there was a meeting, multiple meetings which are being held between the farmers unions at various borders, because they are trying to intensify their protest. But now the mode of intensification of the protest has not been yet decided, and they will take a call once they will be having uniformly decision from all the farmer unions. And this is the saturation point what we have learned from the various farmer unions, because 2 days ago we have seen that in Hisar on Sunday that there was a confrontation between the farmers and the police officials, and after that the multiple meetings were being held by the farmer unions to take out the chalk out our next program, how they can intensify their protest and mount more pressure on the government, because for the last so many days we have seen that Punjab government has been openly supporting all the farmers. They have already given them free run, and there is no COVID protocol is being followed by the farmers while moving from Punjab towards national capital. But despite all these things, now they have planned to hold a detailed meeting to intensify their protest, and that's why this type of statement is coming from Rakesh Tikait. And
Right.
if we can talk,
Stay on with us, Gurpreet. I want to go across to Shehzad Poonawalla also. Shehzad, first there was open flouting of the COVID norms, and then this statement that we will reduce production, we will boycott farming. What is interesting is that the Congress also is now on the back foot, that continuously supported the farmers. At least the Punjab ministers, Punjab leaders are waking up to the fact that this is not the right way to go forward.
But Swati, it is too little, too late for the Congress party, which has a government in Punjab, to just issue these motherhood statements. They should be cracking down, क्योंकि पहले इन लोगों ने कैसे कोरोना फैलाया, ये कल और आज दोनों दिन टाइम्स नाउ के डीप इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चला है कि द सेकेंड वेव कैन परहैप्स बी लिंक्ड टू दिस सो कॉल्ड किसान आंदोलन, और अब एक बार कोरोना फैलाने के बाद ये भुखमरी फैलाना चाहते हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली डूइंग अ डिससर्विस नॉट ओनली टू द किसान बट ऑल्सो टू द आम आदमी, जिसके कॉज के लिए लोग बात करते हैं, बिकॉज द प्राइसेस विल राइज. Who will pay the brunt of the prices that will rise if there's a shortage in the food production? And why would you undermine India's food security merely because you have a particular view on a law that has already been stayed by the Supreme Court? Now, it is not enough for the leaders of the or the so-called Kisan Netas to just say that this is not our view, we will discuss later. They must tell us what is their position, clear cut, on Mr. Rakesh Tikait. And if they don't, it would be Mook Samarthak for Mr. Rakesh Tikait and his insightful statements.
Right. Gurpreet and Shahzad, thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Shahzad, your perspective. A quick break we're taking with that. A lot more line up on the other side.